Oh boy, 3 dogs are going to go for 1 ball. Don't smash into each other. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh boy, 3 dogs are going to go for 1 ball. Don't smash into each other. 1, 2, 3, go. Luna got the ball? Wow! Come on, Marco. Ooh, that's Marco. There she goes. Come on, Elma. She slowed down. I thought she was going to run for the gate because she usually does. She usually does a fast zoom that way. Good girl, Elma. Time to go in. Marco! Powerful jaws. That poor ball is just about finished. Daisy's probably going to kill it off after the other dogs have had a good go over the spring with it. Right, Daisy? Is that correct? It is. All right, shall we go in Acre Wood and brave the black flies? She's trailing a leash because the last time she stayed with me, she started to not want to come. 1, 2, 3. Go get it. Good girl. That's a good catch. Can you catch it? Good girl. Hold on. Shall I throw it? Are you ready? Set? I said set, not sit. I said set. Are you ready? Set. Go. Good. It's another cold day for May. The sun was out. The sun was out, but the sun is now behind clouds and it's not warm. Not very warm at all. Here, Daisy. Go, go, go. Ah, put it down. Leave it. Leave it. Daisy. Leave the ball. Ah, ah, ah. She's a bit of a struggle. 1, 2, 3. You're going to go get it? 1, 2, 3. Go, Daisy, go. Yes. Good girl. Sit. No. Ah, I dropped the ball. I dropped the ball. Daisy, sit. Are you on camera? Look. Look. Yes, you're on camera. 1, 2, 3. Go get it. It's bounced. Okay, good girl. Right, I'm going to take her for a bit of a run. Come on, Aussie. Little bit of a walk. Come on, this way. Come on, Oz. We'll send a photo and a video. Aussie, do you have anything to say to the family? Deborah's making me pose. That's what I'll say. Come on, Aussie. Come over the brook. Oh, just a tippy toe. The brook's drying up because we haven't had rain. Heavy rain in a while. We've just had drizzle. So you like sticks? You can throw it yourself. Good boy. Give me that. Give me the stick. Okay, Mr. Aussie. 1, 2, 3. Go get it. It's not a very good stick. He's probably going to chomp it up into pieces. Yep, it's chomped up. We can find a better stick than that. We have a pile down here. Come on, let's go get a stick. Come on. Come on, a good stick. 1 fit for a dog. Look at these sticks. They just came from a branch off a tree. Look at that. What do you think? Okay. All right, Aussie. See if Deborah can throw this. 1, 2, 3. Go get it. So he's a stick dog. You're a stick dog. Get the ball. Come on. Hey, there you are. All right, ball. Aussie, what do you want me to do? All right, throw it. Okay, so he throws it at me, which is really good because I wish the Labrador Daisy would do that. And she doesn't. Wow, Aussie. big dog. But he's gentle. Come on, Aussie. Are we going to go? The storm is over. Okay, I'm coming. He throws his own ball. That's awesome. Daisy could learn something. Come on. Come on. The brook is flowing because we had a nor'easter and it dropped about maybe an inch of rain, and we could use more, but when it comes like this, at least it's not damaging. It doesn't damage anything. Get the ball. Good boy. Do you want me to kick it? Come on, get the ball. Hey, where you going? Aussie, get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Where are you going? You left the red ball in Acre Wood. He's lost the red ball. That's where he had left it before. He's looking for it. I have to go help him. Come on, I'll show you where it is. He found it. Come on. You found it. Or maybe I should say one sad ball, because the dogs have really been working on it. It was a Christmas present from Lisa and Gino, who own Lucy, to Paisley and the dogs, and it's 6 months old, and it has survived. 5 months old. It's a little misshaped. Come on, you. We have to let the other dogs out. One, two, three. Go. Go. There we are. Come on. She goes. Wow.